Okay, in now we discuss about the nutrition in human. Nutrition in human completely we discuss about a system that's name is called digestive systems, and human also perform the holozoic type of nutrition. कहने का तात्पर्य है ह्यूमन भी होलोजोइक न्यूट्रिशन को ही परफॉर्म करता है और होलोजोइक न्यूट्रिशन आपका कंप्लीट होता है एक सिस्टम के द्वारा। उस सिस्टम का नाम है डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम। ठीक है, तो टुडे वी डिस्कस अबाउट द न्यूट्रिशन इन ह्यूमन। न्यूट्रिशन इन ह्यूमन। ओके, न्यूट्रिशन इन ह्यूमन they also perform holozoic type of nutrition. ठीक है, और in the case of human, holozoic type of nutrition completed by a system that is called digestive system. Okay, nutrition in human performed by a system called digestive system. Okay, and digestive system contain mainly two parts. That's name is called alimentary canal and digestive glands. Alimentary canal and digestive glands. And alimentary canal consists of following structures. Digestive system in the human being consists mainly two parts, alimentary canal and digestive glands. Alimentary canal perform a alimentary canal consists a group of organs as per starting from mouth, buccal cavity, esophagus, that's name is called food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. Okay, small intestine again divided into the duodenum, jejunum, ileum, and large intestine also divided into the cecum, colon, and rectum. These are the parts of the digestive alimentary canals. And digestive gland, mainly we discuss about the digestive gland. Then salivary gland present in the buccal cavity which secreted the saliva, and second digestive gland, salivary gland, second liver and pancreas. Okay, these are the digestive gland which present in the human body, present in the human digestive systems. Now we discuss, first of all we write down the all various part of the alimentary canal. Mouth, buccal cavity, third pharynx, fourth oesophagus, phagus, 5 small intestine, and large intestine. Okay. Mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, oesophagus, small intestine and large intestine. These are the part of alimentary canal.